Hey everyone! If you're age 11 to 17, here's how you can open a Lloyds Under 18's account. First, make sure you're between 11 to 17 years old to qualify for the Lloyds Under 18's account. Gather the required documents, proof of identity like passport, birth certificate, or UK provisional driving license. Proof of address like recent utility bill, bank statement, or a letter from your school or college. If you're 11 to 15 years old, visit a Lloyds Bank branch with a parent or guardian. Both of you must bring ID. If you're 16 or 17 years old, you can apply online or in branch without a parent or guardian. Once your account is open, register for Lloyds online and mobile banking so you can manage your money digitally. And that's it. That's how you open a Lloyds Bank account under 18. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.